Hi, first graders. This is the packet for beach day number 2. So you should have just read the story. There was an old lady who swallowed a shell. If you did not read that, up above this video is a video of Miss Turner reading that story for you. So now we're going to work on the packet. The first page in the packet is there was an old lady who swallowed a shell, sequencing order. So sequence is the order of things that happened. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to watch the video, and then whatever thing she swallowed first goes on this line, whatever she swallowed second goes on this line, and so on with 3, 4, 5, and 6. This first word is fish. The second word is pail. The third word is crab. Next word is goal. Next word is shell. Next word is sand. And next word is wave. So based on just the title, we know that the first word is going to be shell. That's the first thing that she swallowed. Then you need to fill in the rest. Then it wants to know what happened at the end of the story. So you're going to write a little paragraph about 1 or 2 sentences about what happened at the end of the story. Go ahead and pause this video. I'm going to go ahead and go on to the next page. When you're ready, you can hit play again. Alright, the next page is beach day fun. So the first question says, have you ever been to the beach? So you're going to circle either yes or no if you've been to the beach or not. Okay, next, my favorite thing to do at the beach is, go ahead and write what your favorite thing to do at the beach is. If you have not been to the beach, what is something that you would like to do at the beach? Okay, the next question says, if I could build a sandcastle, I would make it look like a blank. So you make it look like a castle, maybe a house, maybe a dog. What kind of a sandcastle would you make? Next question says, I think sand feels what? Give me an adjective that describes sand. Next question, have you ever tasted ocean water? Yes or no? If you said yes, what does it taste like? If you have not tasted ocean water before, it tastes like salt. Okay, the last part of this page says list 3 things that you could do at the beach. 1, 2, 3. Maybe you go swimming, you could play in the sand, build a sandcastle, play catch, whatever, look for shells, whatever you want to write there, go ahead and do that. Pause this video, and when you're ready to go to the next page, hit play again. The third page is beach day ABC order. So remember, when we're putting things in ABC order, we look at the alphabet and we find the letter that comes first. Now, if we have 2 letters that are the same, or 2 words that start with the same letter, then we go to the second one. Let's take a look. We have sandcastle, sunscreen, beach, wave, bucket, towel, seashells, and ball. So there are no words that start with A, so we're going to cross it off. Next letter is B. We have 3 words that start with B. We have beach, ball, and bucket. So we need to look at the second letter. So we have E, A, and U. So which one comes first, A, E, or U? If you said A, you are correct because A comes before E in the alphabet and it also comes before U. So the first word on your ABC order will be ball. After you write it, make sure you cross it off of your list so that you don't get confused again. Next, we need to decide what comes first, E or U, for beach or for bucket. If you look at the alphabet, we have E right here and U is all the way down here, so beach is going to be our next word. Make sure to cross it off and write beach. That leaves only one more word that starts with B, and that is bucket. So bucket is going to be word number 3. Okay, then we can keep going with the alphabet. Cross off B, There's no words that start with C, no words that start with D or E or F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Oh, there's some words that have S in it. We have sandcastle, sunscreen, and seashells. Since these all start with S, we're going to have to look at the second letter. We have an A, a U, and an E. So which letter comes first in the alphabet? A, U, or E? Correct. A comes first. So the word sandcastle is going to be our next word. Go ahead and write sandcastle on number 4, then you can cross the word off. Now we still have 2 more words that start with S. One has a U as the second letter and one has E. Which one comes first in the alphabet, U or E? E is correct. So number 5 is going to be seashells. Cross it off. That leaves just one word left that starts with S, and that word is sunscreen. Go ahead and write sunscreen for number 6. And then cross it off. Okay, moving on, we have 2 words left. We have wave, which starts with W, and towel that starts with T. So if we cross off S, the next letter in the alphabet is T, which means that the word towel goes next. And that leaves only one word left, which is wave, so wave will be our last word. Hey, if you are not done writing these in ABC order, you can pause the video. If you are done, we're moving on to the next page. The next page is a beach day unscrambled. So these words that are in this box right here are the same words that we just talked about in ABC order. We have sandcastle, sunscreen, beach, wave, bucket, towel, seashells, and ball. Those words are scrambled up in these lines right here. So what we need to do is we need to find out what word this is. So this word has a T, E, K, C, U, B. Now, tech cub is not a word. This is a scrambled up word, so they're trying to trick us. So we need to figure out which word it is. Now, if we look at it backwards, it starts with a B, B-U-C-K, that says buck. E-T says et, the word is bucket. So you're going to cross off bucket and write bucket right here. Same thing here. Start with this letter and go backwards. The word is towel. Now if we try to do it with this one, it says owl. That's not a word either. So what word has 2 L's in it? Oh, looks like the word ball has 2 L's in it. So that one's going to be a word that goes in the blank there. So we have B-A-L-L. Okay, try to see if you can do these ones by yourself. Go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to start writing in the answers. When you need the answers or you are done, go ahead and push play. All right, that's it for beach day number 2. Tomorrow is going to be a free day. You can work on catching up on anything you haven't finished yet, or you can go outside and play and have an awesome day and an awesome weekend. Bye.